In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on the Google Play Store, okay? Okay, once you are logged into your Google Play Store app, you want to do me a favor, then click on your profile picture or the name at the top. It will be maybe the first letter of your name. For instance, here I have W for my name. Just click on it. Then click on settings. Then you will click on general. Then click on account and device preferences. Then you want to scroll down. Just scroll down until you see this button for clear device search history. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Then tap on clear history. By doing this, you'll be able to delete the entire search history on the Google Play Store. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.